Pretend it's not a grift, that it was just supposed to be a little game. So we are voting for the next week's Weird Wednesday item. If you would like the barbecue sundae, which is a thing that's been brought up several times, it's mac and cheese, mashed potatoes, pulled pork, brisket, and sausage. You will donate. You will use a donation. Okay? If you would like to make the weird macaroni and cheese ice cream, which is a cheese powder flavored ice cream, you will use bits, and when you cheer bits, they will go toward the ice cream. The percentages are the thing we're going off of, because this is 100 bits and this is $1 for the goal, so they should be equal. There's nothing weird about waffles. What? Keyboard? Nope. I don't know. Seems to be working. I don't know what it is, but there you go. That's what that is. And it was meant to be done like $1 at a time, like 50 cents at a time, 11 bits at a time. Like, it was not meant to be in these ranges. These ranges are astronomical and absurd. There's nothing weird about waffles. There are many weird things about waffles. If you've been here long enough, you know that. You know that. Okay. My worry is that this meat ball is going to get a little weird, because this is, first of all, I didn't want it to be a full-on ball. I did put it this way so that I could actually wrap the puff pastry around it. But the other thing I'm worried about is that this is a high-fat meat. This is 2080. So as an added bonus, if there's an Exactag, Katie will make both items, not necessarily in the same stream due to time constraints. 80 said that? Did I say that? Was that a thing that I said, or is this you knowing how I get about things? As an added bonus, if they are identical, I will do both of them. Not necessarily on the same stream. Although maybe on the same stream, because I can't imagine this ice cream is going to take very long. Like, it needs a buddy. It really does. And if we're already making mac and cheese. Whatever. But I gotta be off by 9 because I need to go to bed in a timely fashion. I can't imagine the ice cream taking long either. Yeah. Well, I mean, it'll take a while, but it'll be like a lot of hands-off time where I just stand there and stare at it and wait for it to freeze. But you'll know. All right, the little pan is heating up. Once it gets to hot, we're gonna put this in, and then we're gonna do. Then we gotta do the mustard coat. Do I still have that English mustard? I think I do, right? Yeah, I do. Mustard. Okay, let's go this way. Mag, can you be in charge of washing these things here, these things? Margaret! Where did she go? I don't know. Tasty brain looking thing. Mm-hmm. What type of ice cream is it? Because it can be between 20 minutes and 1 hour. That's still not enough time. But it's this macaroni and cheese ice cream. That's how these things work. Chat loves to manipulate these things to make them tied, so you need to throw them a bone to reward them for the effort. Chat's not going to make this thing tied. This is so out of control. Like, what's the difference there? $63. Oh, math is hard. Hold on. Yeah, I'm definitely using a calculator. $63.57. There's a different. You would have to cheer $63.57 worth of bits to just even it out. Like, that's a lot of bits because you got to give Twitch their love, and I know how you feel about that, Max. Tasty brain looking thing. Macaroni and cheese ice cream. Excuse me. Again, it's Weird Wednesday. We're voting on a Weird Wednesday concept. Chat is smart. The weird ice cream is much cheaper than the barbecue sundae to snipe. It's a gimmick that crafted for National Mac and Cheese Day, which is today. Don't challenge me. I will challenge whoever I like. Casey outplayed. What did I do?
What did you say, Mom?
What did Mooney say?
What did you call
The
me?
weird cheese ice cream is much cheaper to snipe than the barbecue sundae.
What did you call me?
Will you please clean those pans there so that I can put one of them?
Millie, come eat. Where's Mary?
I don't know. Okay. Things are
Which
happening.
pan?
The cookie sheet.
Can I go drop some stuff?
Oh my gosh, I'm doing a thing right now. Don't you see the giant meatball?
Yes. But
It's almost like you don't respect the giant meatball.
no, but you could literally just say, yes, Maggie, you can go as long as you clean up after the stream and stir for the floor.
Are we worried about the amount of fat here?